Hey guys, it's your girl Britney, and you're done. I'm back with another banger video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I'll be giving you all top tips to stay motivated for your artist New Year resolution, because you're done already. 2021 bigger and better than 2020, and it's our year. Wait, first let me fix that. Let me fix what's going on. Let me fix that head thing. What's going on? You can see. Irina. Yeah. Okay, so number one tip is make time for your art. Yeah, so you all know in all New Year resolutions we have to make time for our art, because we just be busy, you know, with students and things, we just be busy. So the way you can make time for your art is by setting a schedule. In that schedule, like, make a list of your goals, short and long term, areas you want to improve. Number two, be confident in your art. Wait, like, I feel like that looks like
eventually.
Excuse this moment for having here. On the camera. This video is gonna be a short video. I don't think I will be talking much. I want to be more I want to give you all more insights on me. I want to like do different content apart from just doing my art, and to, like, you know, get into it, like have a more, you know, connection like with y'all, because y'all know I love y'all, my subscribers. I love y'all. Okay, so like, let's get back. So as I was saying, y'all need to be more confident in your art. Like, let your art make an impact, celebrate your achievements. So you can just do small things like post it, share it, you know, to see other people's opinions of it, you know, to see how you can improve. And, you know, like, critiques, because criticize does actually critics does help. Critics does help people improve their arts. And like, y'all, I'm not really a big fan of critics, but it does help. Like, sometimes, you know, like, you have, like, sometimes your art just needs some, like, your art might need more light, or you overdo the lights, and, you know, you get a comment on that. Okay, and third tip is challenge yourself. Try something new. So if you know you're an artist, you like to paint. Okay, I'm going to come with myself. Y'all like to tell me I like to paint, what do you call that, sunset skies too much. I mean, I like the colors. Like, I just love colorful things. I know I'm going to bring different content for y'all. I plan to bring like a drawing content for y'all. So yeah, I plan to bring some drawing stuff for y'all, and some other painting things that apart from sunset sky. But I still love my sunset sky, guys. Okay, so yeah, try something new. So if you know you're always painting sunset, you want to probably shift it up, you know, probably paint like I don't know, venture out. You should always paint sunset sky, probably shift it up with some galaxy paintings if you know you're into sky. But like, I do different things. I do waterfall, I paint trees, I don't just around anything. I draw too, but I don't really post it on my YouTube channel to show y'all. But I do draw. But this year I plan to actually show y'all like, take y'all, make a video on me drawing and post it for y'all, upload it. So yeah, so try something new. If you know you like to draw, and you usually like to draw portraits, probably take it into animals. You know, just try something new in 2021. You never know where you're going to actually enjoy. You might actually enjoy, you know, discovering new techniques, because drawing animals and drawing people are like two different things. They have their own different techniques and stuff. So number 4, take breaks, clear your head. It's good to be consistent and focused, but sometimes you really need to take some breaks and just, like, you know, take a pause, breathe, because when you overwork, you just get tired until you have an artist block. And you don't have an artist block. I have an artist block, and I just be like, what should I do today? What should I upload? You know, I just have artist block, so I have to take breaks. So when you see I don't really upload it, it's because sometimes I don't know what to give you all. But yeah, take breaks, clear your head, you know, give a little space sometimes in your art. So Another thing to encourage you to stick to your New Year resolution for 2021 is look at your previous artworks, see what you used to do before, like what you did last year 2020, and compare last year 2020 artwork to what you did in 2019 to see how much you're improving, and to see what other techniques you want to try and stuff. It does help to keep you motivated, to show you how far you're coming from. And and another thing you can do is look at other artists, like artists that you can relate to. For example, like if you're somebody that like portraits, you can go and look at other portraits, like people that establish themselves in art, in portraits already. See what kind of techniques they use, how they do their shadow, how they do their light. If it's drawing, you could go and check how they do their shadow, how they do their light. If it's painting, their tones, the media, how they mix it, if they use red to get certain people complexions. Just go out there and look at other artists to get an idea on how to become better, improve. And so my last tip for y'all is forget about perfection and just start. Just forget about perfection and just start. That's going for everything. Actually, it goes for everything, not just art, but for everything. When I wanted to start a YouTube channel, I wanted to start a YouTube channel forever. I didn't give you a Q&A on me starting why I started a YouTube channel. I don't give you all that, but I might give you all that in a Q&A in another talking video. So yeah, so when I was doing YouTube, I was like, I want to do YouTube, but I don't know what to bring you to my audience, and if my audience will like what I will choose to bring. A couple of my friends just just start. I got encouragement from my friends that just start, just do it, just do it, forget about perfection, and then you'll be fine. So yeah guys, once again, happy New Year to y'all. 2020, as I said before, 2021 is gonna be bigger and better than 2020. That's it, point blank. Okay, remember to like this video, subscribe, comment. Give me some comments. You all need to comment and comment, and share my video. You all know you want to see your girl reach 1K subscribers, anything like that. So you all need to comment. 1K subscribers, 1K likes. You all know you want to comment. Hey guys, bye.